Well, here we go. We got the birthday. Put it up there. Got herself a birthday hat there. Put it on her head. Don't break it.
Hey.
Okay, with that, I guess we're out with Snowball. Snowball, you meow? Ooh. With that, I guess we're out.